So we're just chopping up about a 1/4 cup here of fresh parsley. We're gonna make a quick little parsley sauce that we're gonna drizzle over the involtini once they're grilled. I'm gonna add olive oil, about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and some salt, and of course, a little lemon zest. The lemon will bring out the flavor of the chicken as it's warmed on the barbecue. It's very Tuscan, and actually really all over Italy, they use a lot of lemon. And let's see here, we're just gonna mix this up, let it sit for a bit, and then we'll use this once the chicken is done. Perfect. All right, lemon sauce is done, it can sit. We're gonna start with a little bit of a salt rub. And we're gonna use a bunch of salt and some dried oregano. And remember, when you're cooking chicken, you gotta season it a lot. And a few red pepper flakes just to give it a little spice. I'm just gonna mix that together because I'm gonna use this on the inside of the chicken and on the outside. There we go. All right, my little rub is done. Time to get the chicken. So I've got my little marble board that I like to work with. And I've got chicken cutlets. So they're like chicken cutlets you can get at the store. You can get your butcher to pound them if they only have breasts. But you don't want them to be too thick. Take a little bit of the seasoning that we made and just sprinkle the breast with a little bit of seasoning. Then we take a slice of the prosciutto. Nice prosciutto, a lot of cured meats in Tuscany. And a slice of provolone. Now I'm using provolone picante, which has a little more flavor than regular provolone, but you could use regular provolone as well. And I just fold over the slice. And then we take a sun-dried tomato, nice and sweet. And then I start rolling it, just like this. Like that. I'm gonna grab 2 of my metal skewers, and you really wanna make sure this involtini stays intact. So you just go right through there, and then you do it again right through there. 2 skewers will give you more control when you wanna move the chicken around on the barbecue. It'll help you keep them all in line. There we go, just like that. You can see how easy it is to move. Then we just land them right here. And again, we season the top with a little more of the salt, oregano, and red pepper flakes. You guys, while I flip the chicken, go ahead and start with the crostini. How are the crostini?
Delish.
Here's some chicken. So they're involtini with prosciutto and provolone. And here we go. And then just a little olive oil and
that's like
parsley
a roll,
on
it's like a
top.
roll.
In northern Italy, in Tuscany, so there's a lot of stuffed meat. Cheers to your trip to Tuscany.